Guys, welcome back to the blog, and today we have a special friend. She's one of my best friends. I have been with we were working together in the same place, and I've known to her since for the last 2 years. So and I discovered something special. Her talent is very unique. So today let us listen and see. And yes, she is just a normal person like us. So I don't know in the days to come what she will become, but today let us discover new friends' talent and let us enjoy and see. I'm presenting this Miss Apungle here, so she'll sing for us. So let us listen. Welcome. She's Apung. Hi. Okay. Okay, today we are going to play a track from this mobile, and this is the speaker. We just have speaker, and yes, play the track once. We are not cheating you. So this is the this is the track. See, you can hear it, and this is the music. We have only simple music box here. I don't know whether you can see it or not. It's just simple, and this is the track we are playing. See, as you can see, there is no voice, so let us all listen.
No kidding, I can't pin you down.
another song in our blogs, you please leave a comment down below. And please subscribe and hit the bell likes. And I'll be updating so many videos about local original videos which you haven't seen in any internet anywhere in the world. So I'll be uploading. So bye bye for today. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this. And I'm a cameraman. So thank you. Next Friday.
Oh, I flashlight tay dong below ni check now.
Wait, lang wait as wrong wait.
Kaise lo mat? Momo ko la. Aina lu da ni tole.
Suri lo. Go.
Dalone Paulo. Nang Paulo.